Miss Valerie, thank you so much for taking a few moments from this amazing Black Health Ball Gala to tell us about yourself and to share a little bit about what brings you here. So can you introduce yourself and tell us what brought you here?
Perfect. So my name is Valerie Revolus, and I am a board-certified psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. I currently own my own practice with one of my colleagues, and we primarily work with ADHD, depression, bipolar disorder, anxiety disorders. And I came here to this conference because it's so dope to just be around a bunch of Black professionals that are really killing it out there who are promoting Black health because it's such an important topic.
So why do you think that Black health is an important topic? So the reason I'm asking this, just so you know, we're here at the Create Sparks Lounge, and Create Sparks, I work for Walmart Corporate, and it's about creating sparks of inspiration and action and community. So, we're here talking to future leaders, and we want to know what does that mean to you, and why is Black health important?
Well, Black health is important because, one, I'm Black. But Black health is important because obviously our communities are at a disadvantage across the field. It doesn't matter what health care, what health illnesses that there are, we're suffering. There's a huge gap of healthcare disparities. So it's important because, one, people need to see more people that look like us in the field. We have a mistrust in the medical system. So a lot of times we're not going to the doctors. We're not doing the things that we need to do to take care of ourselves. So it's important for us as leaders to step up to the forefront, to be able to talk about it, normalize conversations. Obviously, I work in mental health, so there's a lot of stigma within our community. So it is really important for us to get out there and to just put that out there so people can be inspired and feel motivated to be, part of the solution to the problem that's going on.
Well, thank you for saying that. And, I agree that you said that Black health is important because you're Black, but I'm not Black, but Black health is still important. And that's why I show up for Black health. And that's important. So, but I hear you. I just say that because, of course, all communities that we work with, and when we talk about what you talked about, depression, ADHD, all that, that's also a disability problem. These things are super intersectional and affect all communities. So, we're here about creating sparks to inspire those who look like us and those that don't, but mostly also to say that we all have a place to take in feeling part of fair solutions, right?
Absolutely.
So with that, I would love to ask, what is one spark of inspiration or advice that you would love to share out there to the world?
When you say share with the world, someone who might be thinking about coming up into the field, or?
It's up to you, but whoever. I feel like future leaders who you're amplifying your voices to.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I would say my piece of advice, or the words that I want to put out to the world, is that we belong here. Don't be afraid to take up space, right? And don't dim your light for anybody. So when you walk into that room, you always hold your head up high and just carry that sense of excellence with you wherever you go, because whatever you want to do, you can achieve it.
Okay. Yes, we belong here.
We belong here, yes.
So there was a we belong here. You can achieve it if you can dream it.
That's not what I said, but yeah, I like that too. Don't be afraid to take up space.
Don't be afraid to take up space.
Yes.
Here we are taking up space at the Black Health Ball Gala. So where did you come in from?
I came in from New York.
Okay, so you live in New York.
I live in New York and Atlanta. I go back and forth.
Okay, and is your job just in multiple places, or?
So my business is a remote telehealth business that I have. And I also teach in New York. So I go back to teach at a university, and then I live in Atlanta, so I just go back and forth.
Wow,
yeah.
That's incredible. I also travel a lot for work, and I'm Zoya the Explorer, so I love to travel, and I think about how it's really powerful when we can be in multiple places to also let these things come together. And spaces like this, talking about creating space, I want to honor BlackHealthConnect for creating space for the community to feel seen and to feel like they can share and learn. Is there one thing that you can share that you learned here at this conference that's been really interesting for you?
Well, I feel like there was a lot of things that I learned at this conference, but honestly, just the power of networking and the power of building connections with your peers is just such an important skill to have because we all can benefit each other. And at the end of the day, we're all trying to uplift and we're all working towards the same goal, promoting Black health, promoting, just uplifting our community. So just networking and building connection and building community with your peers.
That's been coming up in every conversation more than anything in many ways, because when you network, we feel seen. Like everything that you said today is like, oh, wow, that is exactly me. And I've been thinking the same thing. So here's to, and like, what's been one way that you've networked, like, so some people aren't very good when they get into a room or might not know what to do. So what would be like your little networking magic secret?
I try to at least pick out one or two people whenever I walk into a room, and I kind of go up to them, speak with them, see what's going on. And I feel like we're all here for the same thing. So it's not really like as uncomfortable because people know what you're here to do. So just pick one or two people out. And even if it's uncomfortable or weird, just kind of pushing through that feeling and just doing it anyways. And you'd be surprised at the connections you might make.
I like that. And I've always said that too. One or two people and you can leave, connect. And everyone here, I haven't had a chance to go fully and meet everybody, which we're looking forward to as we celebrate the rest of the ball tonight. But I feel like everyone is super open and we're here to connect and create sparks. This lounge is about that. So I would love to leave you or give you a little gift. This is a Create Sparks sticker. So the hashtag Create Sparks, this is the VIP lounge that Walmart, so I work for Walmart Corporate, has sponsored to basically inspire leaders. Like I said, it's a hashtag to action. I'm a director of public affairs at Walmart for diverse communities. So we're finding unique ways to partner with emerging gen, with leaders, to amplify voices, to spark interaction and inspiration. So yeah, let's connect. Thank you.